Well, our role as a new regulator, we are an independent autonomous regulator. We were born from the Constitution, so we're fully autonomous. We have full power to deal with every issue on telecommunications, broadcasting, and all the competition-related issues on that matter. We see the mobile sector as a very challenging sector. We address that we have a competition problem. We have to go through the identification of what we call a preponderant agent, and this preponderant agent, once identified, needs to be ruled with asymmetric regulation. The wholesale network is going to be done by the executive power, and we need to foster regulator into that. So with the wholesale market, we believe that new commerce can go into the Mexican market, probably virtual operators, because on the matter of this new network, we have to put new regulation into place. So one of the ways where we see that the IFT, the new regulator, can go is on the deployment of this new regulation for this wholesale network. Another one is in putting more spectrum into the market to achieve the needs for new operation for broadband. Well, right now we have the 700 megahertz band, what we have as a digital dividend in Mexico, as in the rest in the Americas, where we are seeking the deployment of this wholesale network. So these decisions on spectrum are going to be very important. But these decisions come from the Constitution, are part of the reform of telecommunications. One major decision was set to be done on the 700 megahertz band by the deployment of the wholesale networks. So we're going to be using 90 megahertz of the 108 megahertz capacity that the 700 megahertz band has. A major index of success of the reform of telecommunications is how it's going to be improving economical growth, bringing new capacities, new possibilities for business, not only in the telecommunications market, but all over the society. We are now in the information age, and telecommunications is a very important part of that. Being out of that is having a very big problem. That is the reason that as well having social goals for telecommunications is going to be very important on deployments into the rural areas to achieve a fairest way for everyone in the country. So one of the important things that we have within the reform of telecommunications is that the right of access is going to be granted by the state, by the government.